How's it going, guys? Today we got the 1974 Dodge Charger, and we're going to be working on the radiator. Old radiator in this car. It's old, it's heavy, it's definitely full of a lot of gunk. So today we're going to start looking at an all aluminum 3-core radiator. We're going to see a lot lower temps with this radiator because of the larger core design, but also we're going to save a lot of weight with this radiator. So let's get started. Alright, so here is our Champion radiator, all aluminum. Talked to a couple of guys there, ordered it from a site, and here it is. So we're going to be taking a look at this. They said everything's going to match up on this car, including the shroud. So we're going to see if they're honest with that, and we're going to see how hard of a system this is going to be replaced, and see if everything else still works on our radiator, such as the shroud, the tubes, and also the 727 cooling. So let's get started. Alright, so here's the old radiator. Here's the Chrysler logo on there for there. Looks like an aftermarket tube here, but I don't know how well you can see, but it's not too bad when you look over here. A lot of the core is clogged. We did a full flush on it. Junk was coming out of it. We weren't really happy to see what kind of performance that we were going to get out of this. So what we decided is that it might be just better to replace the whole system and have something new. These are a lot heavier. It has copper around the top end. Pretty heavy steel. So I don't think this job is going to be too difficult. I'm just going to have to loosen a couple of tubes here, unbolt it from the frame, and then make sure that we remove the lines down below for the transmission. So let's get this started.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. I don't wanna see us going on and off again. Baby, all I really want is only on from now. Every time I see a glimpse of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. See us going on and off again. Baby, all I really want is
All right.
only on from now.
right, there's the old radiator. You can kind of see all the crap that's still in it, but that's why we're here to replace it. So that was not bad at all, actually. Now we're going to work on the nice new one. It looks a little green from all the primer and everything. Change out all that, put it on this, we'll get to work. Definitely needs a good clean down. Just like that, already got it better. Turn it up a little bit. So that'll be really good. Stop recording. Alright guys, so we got it mostly cleaned up there. A couple of spots in there, but it's alright. So, put this sucker on there.
Say I'm good-hearted, but I'm just getting started. Got my eyes on the target. No, no. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Say I'm dangerous 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I won't sit and take it. No, no. They left me for dead, I guess I'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come.
Stop recording. So far, pretty happy with it. We're going to drill a couple of holes here. We just want this to sit the same level, around right there. So, with the holes previously drilled here, it's going to sit up about that high, or I drill it where it should be, and it should sit around right there. Not a huge deal. I wish that, well, that's bent in, so that'll be alright. So I think what we're going to do here is I am going to just start putting on a couple of tubes. Bit really easy on there, actually. Tubes seem to fit a little bit looser than I'd like, but it has that barb in there, which I really do like. So, tying these down really good, because these come off, you're gonna have a bad day. We don't have a bad day. That's not going there. So that's going to be on there really nice. Just got a couple lines on the bottom to do. Alright, this needs a line as well. Reason for replacing this line, it's got a big kink in there. I don't like that. So, I'm just going to do it. Do it right. But overall, it looks pretty nice. Finish on is pretty nice aluminum on it. I figured that one won't work. He's gonna be my first choice. Sucker's tight on there. So that one looks pretty old. So that one looks like it's gonna feel a lot nicer. Not fit that nice. So maybe a little bit of a fight, but that'll fit nice. Alright. One of the oldest technologies in the book. Good old-fashioned worm gear. Whoever designed these. Yeah, amazing. Alright. Alright. It looks like I gotta cut this. Yeah, no. All right, come on. Rock solid.